Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna dive into AutoCAD and I'll teach you and I'll show you how to customize your own window in AutoCAD. So first of all guys, for the growth of this channel guys, share the video, like the video, and also the most important part is to join the community. Let's join the community by subscribing to this channel guys. So let's start. So as you can see, after finishing my plan, you can see we have some free space, right? So these free spaces, they will be used later on the door, right? So this door, I'm gonna customize my door according to this space, this free space here, right? And for the window, I need every room of my design should have at least one window, right? For the sake of comforts, right? For the PMV and PDD. So what I'm gonna do here, so I'm gonna start drawing my door, and it's gonna be an easy step and professional and easy step. So I'm gonna start with my code pen to just navigate through my stuff here, my drawing here, and after that I'm gonna cancel the comment by pressing escape, and from that I'm gonna zoom a little bit to have more space for myself. And for here I'm gonna use rectangle again. No, let me just use line first of all. I'm gonna use lines. So I'm gonna create the first line here. I'm gonna pick any point, like any first points should be any, and I will take 5 meter. 5 meter, right, according to your units. I'm using metric units, right? So I'm gonna take, let me just say I will take 2.5 meter for the first dimension of the door, for the first support of the door, and I'm gonna also take 0.5 for the horizontal line, and for the top here, let me just zoom for you guys. For the top should be this, it should be a frame, right? Okay, so I'm gonna again navigate, and I'm gonna just select this stuff here, everything. Like I'm gonna select all the lines, and then I'm gonna type copy. I'm gonna use the comment copy, and it's the first one of some circle stuff. Just click on it, and I'm gonna take this endpoint. This endpoint should be my reference point here. So I'm gonna click on this endpoint, and then I'm gonna project my line, my drawing to this line here. Okay, so we have our first support, our door support, right? And beside that, right, I'm gonna put one line here. I'm gonna connect these two supports with one line. Okay, so these supports should be connected with one line. Okay, so after that, from this intersection here, from this end intersection here, I need to create another. Let's say I need to create a rectangular shape here, right? So I'm gonna go on rectangular, and from this side, from this point here, I'll create a shape, rectangular shape here, right? It should have the same dimension, or it depends. Like for the let's say for the purpose of design and the beauty of the design, I'm gonna make it 0.5 thickness, and the height should be at least I can modify the height anytime. I'm just showing how the process of designing a window and a door, right? So from here I can just take 0.5 thickness, the one in the blue, and if I press tab I can modify the height. So the height, I need the height to be at least I'm gonna take the height of 4. Okay, I'm gonna click on 4, right? And from here I can draw the other parts of my door by using arc, right? So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna right arc, right? And from this endpoint to this let me say which endpoint to this endpoint here, I should have my oval, okay, let me just let me zoom for you guys. And from this point here, okay, I should have, okay, let me modify it like this. Should be let me do this. Let me do this first. Okay, let me see how beautiful. Yeah, this is much beautiful, and I can trim the other line. So I can just go on trim. I can just go on trim, right? So remove this line, this line, and this line. Okay. All right. So and after that, I can also remove this other line here. Right. So as you can see here, we can see that our supports they're kind of big. So I need my support to be a little bit small, right? You can figure that out. See our supports they're a little bit longer. So I need my support to be at least a little bit it should be actually I don't have any specific dimension right now because I need to design my door according to my house here, right? But I'm just showing the step how you can design your own door, right? So I can modify it. I can just modify it, no problem. Yeah, as I was saying before, you can modify the door according to your plan, right? So I'm gonna do it in the next video, right? So this is just a step to show you how to design the door. And beside, just to make it more professional and organized, you need to create any like for any design, you have to create a specific layer property, right? Like if I go on my layer property here, I must see it's empty, right? I can create more as long as I can create more, right? I can create more for each design, like to make it more beautiful to see and also organized. You need to create for each member. You have to create different layer. You know what I'm saying, right? So we can change the color. You can change the line type, the line weight for here. Let me just show you one example. Like if you click on the color here, you must see that you have multiple line to modify. And if you go on the line type here, if you click on the line type here, you might see that you have more line. You can load the line type. If you click on the loads here, you might find a lot of type of line that you have. You can pick one and then this video is gonna be on the next video. Okay, so in the video, this is the end of this video. And as I said before, guys, join the community. Join the community by subscribing to this channel, by sharing this video with your friend, and also by liking the video. Okay, guys, see you in the next one.